If your closet feels overwhelming and getting dressed is harder than it should, this video is your starting point. Today, I'm going to share with you how to build your capsule wardrobe from scratch, step by step. So the first step is going to be starting with your real life. You really want to be honest with what your everyday life actually looks like. Not your Pinterest board, not your aspiration life, but your actual life. Do you work a 9 to 5? Do you work from home? Are you a soccer mom? Like, you need to be honest about what your days and what your life actually looks like, because this is going to be an important foundation to help you build your specific capsule wardrobe. Now, your wardrobe is not your entire life. Your wardrobe should not complicate your life. It should just support it. When it comes to a capsule wardrobe, most people are going to tell you to choose a neutral palette. And to be honest, I would say choose a neutral palette for your capsule wardrobe, not your entire wardrobe, just the capsule. However, I know there may be some colorful girlfriends that potentially follow me, and I want to say you don't have to stick to neutrals. You can have color, but you just have to really be intentional to make sure that all the colors in your wardrobe complement one another. Otherwise, you're going to make getting dressed hard. And this is why neutrals are so desirable, because they always complement one another. So with regards to neutrals, these colors are going to be your whites, your navy, your black, your brown, your gray, your tan, things of that nature. Once you start to have this cohesive color palette, this is where clarity in getting dressed actually begins. Now, a capsule wardrobe, it isn't about having variety, but it's more about having consistency. So think of your capsule wardrobe as the foundation, the core piece to your wardrobe. You don't need, for example, 10 black blazers. You need one good black blazer that you can switch out and wear with different things when you need it. Think about what kind of silhouettes make you feel most confident. Do you like more of an A-line silhouette? Do you like more of peplum? Do you like more of a straight fit? Are you more of a flare? So you really want to think about the silhouettes in both tops, bottoms, dresses, and all the things, so that you can choose pieces into your capsule wardrobe that's actually going to make you feel good and that you're actually going to reach for and wear. So for example, when you're thinking about denim, there are some thick girls, they're not going to do a straight leg denim. They just don't feel good or confident in it, but they will do a wide leg denim or wide leg pants. Or for example, depending on your body type, maybe you would not do a streamlined kind of straight fit up and down kind of skirt. If you have a little bit of hips, you're going to need something that's a little bit more A-line. And even if you don't have hips, if you like the A-line look because it just makes you feel more comfortable, then this is the silhouette that you are going to lean more towards. And when your silhouette stays the same, this is going to make getting dressed that much easier. All right, now step number 4. This is where you build your core pieces. This is where you start putting things in the closet, girl. And these pieces are going to do a lot of the heavy lifting for you when you're getting dressed. Some of these pieces are going to be, for example, if you get tops, this can be tops that you can dress up and dress down like a bodysuit, or for example, tops that are a little bit more elevated and does all the work for you that you can wear with some heels or sneakers at the same time. Reliable bottoms, these are going to be your denim, your trousers, shorts, skirts, things of that nature that you can mix and match with different things. Layers, 1 or 2 layers. These are going to be your camis, your tanks, long sleeve shirts, things that you will have to layer under something else to kind of pull the look together. And of course, 3 or 4 pair of shoes. These are going to be sneakers, flats, sandals, heels, things like that. This is where you're going to get started. And of course, a bag. And for the bag, you probably need just 2 bags starting off. Something that you can wear in the day and something that you can wear at night. And I want to note that when you're building your capsule wardrobe, you're not buying all of these things all at once. You're buying them over time. No one can just, I won't say no one, but it's very difficult for most people to just, shop their whole wardrobe all at once. And even if you could, I wouldn't advise it, because along the way, you're you're gonna learn some things about yourself that's gonna help you shop more intentionally. And with that being said, you wanna focus on fit and fabric and not brand. So just because something is a designer brand or a popular brand, it doesn't mean that it's gonna look good on you, it's gonna fit well. So you really want to focus more on how that clothing piece fits you and how it makes you feel, and that the fabric is high quality, because capsule pieces, you don't want to keep buying them over and over. They really should be lasting in your wardrobe. Step number 6, I know you're not going to hear it, but stop shopping. You're going to need to stop shopping. Stop shopping, sis. You're going to need to stop shopping and start styling. If you're not working with what you already have, it's going to be hard for you to tell what does not work for you, your body, your style, your comfort, your confidence. So you're going to need to do a no buy for X amount of months or time period and start styling the pieces that you have in your wardrobe. And that's also going to help you identify some wardrobe gaps and what you actually need to fill in when you are shopping. And just as a little tip, if you cannot take one piece of item and make at least 3 outfits with it, it is not a part of your capsule wardrobe. Because as you can see the pattern here with capsule wardrobes, you can interchange them with so many different things. Those same shorts, you can wear it with sneakers. Those same shorts, you can wear it with heels. And those same shorts, you can wear it with sandals. So you really want to make sure that you can create multiple outfits with your capsule pieces. That's just a little nugget to keep in the back of your head. All right, so if you want to start today with building your capsule wardrobe, give me 30 minutes and I got you. So you're going to start with decluttering. Pull everything out of your closet, and you're going to keep what makes you feel good and throw away, oh, don't throw it away, girl. Give it to the Goodwill. Get rid of the things that don't make you feel good, look good, or it's just not fresh anymore in your closet. You can start by keeping a few neutral tops, 3 to 4 bottom, 2 to 3 layering pieces such as your camis, your undershirts, your long sleeve, and 2 to 3 everyday pairs of shoes. And this is going to be your starting point for your capsule wardrobe, and then you can go ahead and fill in as you see fit. And for clarity, a capsule wardrobe is not about having less. This really isn't about minimal fashion, but it's about having more clarity. And when your closet becomes more clear, now this is when getting dressed becomes 10 times easier. And with that being said, start where you are, use what you have, and just let simplicity do the rest. And if you're new here, my name is Tamara, and welcome to the Intentional Woman community, where we live, dress, and grow on purpose. Alrighty, guys. Ciao.